Welcome to fabulous Lake Tahoe, your local's guide to the very best of America's year-round playground. I'm Jack Durst, and this is the 64th annual Highway 50 Wagon Train for 2013. I'm out here at Zephyr Cove Resort to capture the Wagon Train Rendezvous to intercut with my footage of the Wagon Train that I'm getting this year while I'm out filming America's Most Beautiful Bike Ride. I've met a lot of great people. You should check out some of the interviews we've gotten.
Hi, I'm Michael Betancourt. I'm with the Highway 50 Wagon Train Association, and this is my 13th year of doing Wagon Train. It's the 64th anniversary of Wagon Train, and I'm from Sacramento, originally from the Bay Area, and it's vacation. It's a great thing to do. You know, it's a really neat thing.
So, can you tell me a little about the experience of Wagon Train? What's it like?
You get up early with the chickens, you go to bed after the cows come in. It's hard work, but it's well worth the time and effort. You know, it's 13 years. It's something that I enjoy doing.
Hi, my name is Davy Doc Weiser, and I've been on Wagon Train. This is my 36th consecutive year. Started a long time ago. I showed up with a doctor's buggy, a tuxedo, a top hat, and my doctor's bag. And my doctor's bag had a fifth of JD, and I had a bottle of Excedrin. So everybody came and saw me because whether they had a headache or needing some amber-colored water, I fixed their ails. And it's a lot of fun on here. Anybody can rent a seat on a wagon, ride for a day, ride for the whole week. It's something that for me, like a kid living his dreams, and I love it. Red Baron this year will be his 35th consecutive year, and he's on page 10 in this Wagon Train program, and if you come by and see me, I will give you one of these. These are free. And the Wagon Train will have about 15 wagons. We'll have the lead hitch with 8 up, pulled by Jeff Shin and his Pertrons, and then we'll have the third wagon with Teresa and Steve Donner. And then we'll have all the rest of them. I'll be at the end because, you know, the doctor's got to stay at the back in case somebody gets ill. I can fix them. But come on down, bring the kids, look at the Wagon Train. We'll be at Rufus Allen tomorrow for lunch, about 45 minutes. And give you some good time, and thank you very much, and welcome to the Highway 50 Wagon Train.
Hello, I'm Matthew Shug. I've been driving my horse and wagon for the last 3 or 4 years. It's a long trip. It's a lot of fun. My horse is an American Cream Draft horse. He's about 1,300 pounds. He's a very rare horse. There's only about 500 of them. And so he stands out in a crowd.
How high is he?
He's 16 hands. He's not full-blooded draft, so he's not as big as a regular draft horse, but for the wagon that I pull, which is fairly small, but it does pull 4 people. Well, the horse seems to handle it okay. He doesn't get too sweaty. By the time we get to the top of the hill, that's about the sweatiest he would get going up Echo Summit. And then I have brakes in my wagon so I can help him going down hills. So I'm looking forward to this year, and hopefully we'll have a safe trip.
Reed. I've been with the Wagon Train 3 years. I love it. It's the greatest thing I've ever done. We see a lot of country. We meet a lot of nice people, wonderful people here. And it's good entertainment for kids. I've been bringing grandkids here for 2 years.
Yeah, and I'm Dave Pressler, and I've been on the Wagon Train for 3 years, and I really enjoy coming back. I didn't know if I was going to make it this year, but the closer it got, I couldn't not come. So here I am again. I just love coming to the Wagon Train. It's something that everybody should do. Instead of driving down the road at 70 miles an hour, drive down the road at 3 miles an hour and see the country.
Hi, I'm Sharon Bass, and I've been with the Wagon Train since 1972. was the first time I ever went on it, and I had my kids in high school at that time, so we were really excited. We just moved up to Tahoe, and we were just staying out at Amaker Ranch at that time. That's where we did all of our little horse gymkhanas, if you know what that is. And it was just really, really nice. And then we met up with Amaker, and he got my kids really interested in horses, and that's how we got interested in Wagon Train. And Wagon Train is, it follows the route most as closely as possible, because this is the route that they used to take from Sacramento on up to Virginia City, believe it or not, and pull the ore out of Virginia City and take it back. And that was the first thing. In wagon trains then were so large that if you broke a wheel or something, you dropped off of the trail, you did not get back in for sometimes a month. I mean, it was just constant. Nobody would let you in. Boy, you want to get up to the gold country. And it's a 365 days a year job. And I've known most of the wagon masters and most of the organizers. Viterra, she's the organizer right now. She's past president. And Davy is the highlight of everybody. You know, he's just wonderful, and so is Red Baron. Those guys have been with it forever. And I guess you can say I've been with it forever. Haven't been on train, let's see, when did I come back from Montana? I came back from Montana in 2002. And I think it was in either 3 or 4 I went on train again, but due to health things, I can't go anymore. Yeah. You're welcome.